Okay, sometimes we suggest you buy the pot of gold, the POG Acceptor, the serial cable. Okay, this is the serial cable. We suggest that you purchase the cable from our company. Okay, this is the cable. Right now, we should disconnect the cable here, and then you see. And the two cables coming out, and the other end will be connected to the POG Acceptor connectors on the harness of the pot of gold. And then the POG Acceptor will be a serial model, okay? And also you have to be sure the POG Acceptor is by the serial model. Then connect like this way. Then it will work with pot of gold by serial model. Thank you. No matter the POG Acceptor without stacker or with stacker, it's the same wiring connection. Okay? Thank you.